Hello. Hello! Today we are going to be investigating the nature walk. Say hi.
Hi!
Okay, let's go. So we found this house over here in the middle of the nature walk. So we are going to go and investigate. And Catherine, you have 20 minutes. You're good.
Please go walk back.
Hold on, let's just go take a look at this real quick. Oh god, there's so many thorns, it's stuck in my leg.
Thorns on tree? Who thought of that idea?
Who the freak?
When did God think of that?
What is there?
I'm gonna try.
Either way, this leads to the back to the neighborhood. This way leads back to the neighborhood over that way.
Ow, ow, ow.
You got this. You made the bad mistake to wear shorts.
You were the bad idea that wanted me to go walking.
And you're the one who had the idea of walking on the nature walk anyways.
You were the one who wanted to walk, and I said, do you want to go on the nature walk? And you said, yeah.
I mean, how can I turn this up? Should we investigate this shed for any paranormal activity? Or go and get the house a closer look. Let's get into the juicy stuff first. Okay. The shed. I see there's a lock on it. It doesn't look like anyone's here. None of the lights are on.
Yeah, there's a trash thing here. It doesn't. Looks like empty thing of gas. No, that's a full thing of gasoline.
I'm trying to look into here.
There's metal back here. I'm gonna look in the back real quick. There's shards of glass. Be careful.
I can't see in there at all. Even with my flashlight. That's weird. Okay, let's head over here. Oh yeah, this is the house. Trip life thing. I can hardly tell what that says.
C up, B down.
Yeah, I'm gonna ignore that. Okay, and this says, oh god, no.
Oh, it doesn't. I have to. Dude, turn on the flashlight.
Let's check this out.
Move your butt, I want to look with my phone.
I'm guessing that's probably water dropping, but who knows? I can't tell.
Yeah. Doesn't look like there's anything. And there's a...
Wait a minute. Wasn't that light on before? That's not freaky at all.
We should go.
Yeah, I think we should go. Okay, now we're going to be showing you the rest of the nature walk. Let's go. Yeah, I'll be doing quite a few vlogs with Catherine here.
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah.
I'm his new school friend.
Yeah. Actually, one of my first friends at my new school. Actually, my first friend, really.
I consider everyone my friend, and I consider everyone my best friend.
Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that, because that is so incredibly blurry.
What?
What's my reception right now? Okay, hold on. I don't know if you guys can see that pink flag, that pink right there, but that is actually a flag. You're supposed to follow these along with this trail. Those are for if you go off trail, you can follow the flag.
Yeah, I don't know where we are right now.
I know exactly where we are. We only went straight from where we used to be. Yeah, guys, I was going to live stream this, but I got to wait 24 hours for this channel to actually verify. So tomorrow I will be doing a live stream with Catherine, probably. We might take another look at this and hunt for something. See if we can find anything suspicious or any murder weapons. Anything used in a murder or something. And then we can use it on the police, and we can use it for the police. So I actually feel helpful in life.
YouTube will be helpful, finally. So apparently every news reporter is like, oh, YouTube, video games, bad. But when the news reporters on a different channel recorded this old, like 100-year-old lady talking about how good her DS is with her brain games. And that it keeps her brain active.
Wow. Okay, so yeah, if we do find something tomorrow on our live stream, News will probably show it, and that video will get a lot more views. Well, hallelujah for that.
Hallelujah, thank you.
I mean, probably everyone's going to be commenting like, you're that one that found that weird murder weapon in the woods, right? Well, technically, it's not the woods. It's a nature walk, but yes.
I don't know where we should be going by now.
Yeah, we might be lost. I
I
don't
feel
know.
like we should be going there.
Yeah, I feel like we should be going that way or something, or towards that neighborhood.
trail. Alright, hold on. Let's check over there. And
Okay.
if we can't find our way, then we'll go back over.
Yeah, we gotta get you home soon. You got like 14 minutes.
I gotta get back at like 7.
Yeah. Yeah, look, there's a trail right here. Hold on. Yeah, there's that tire over there.
Yeah.
That means we gotta go this way.
Oh, yeah, because if we went that way, we would get screwed up.
Why another hill? God dang.
It's not a hill if you don't think about it.
Good point.
It's like going upstairs.
I have a
up the
stick
stair-
stuck in these shoes. It's annoying. I have terrible
Me
shoes right
too.
here, but these are my play shoes currently. Cause I mean, yeah, I have more play shoes and stuff.
These are my
But
shoes.
yeah,
My mom doesn't care if I get them dirty.
yeah, right there.
Dude, I don't know why, but right now I just got reminded of this one vine where it's like, Mina, you vandalize some stuff. Hi. And then it's like the 4 times 3 thing on the back of a car. One of those like cylinders or something.
Yeah.
They just wrote down equals 12
Wow.
with a Sharpie or something.
Pull out your phone. Do you have YouTube or any sort of internet connection right now?
I think maybe. Why?
Because I was wondering if you want to find out what my channel is.
Oh, missed call from my dad. View. Nope. Yep. Dad, no. No.
Looks like you have some sort of internet, I think.
Yeah. Okay. Up. Ignore me.
Okay, just type in Alex Gaming YT. I know, best name ever, right?
Yes.
And then one of them should be Alex YT Vlogs as well. That one's another one of my channel. That's the channel that I'm currently recording on. Okay, so let's see. Let's see what mine is. Aha, where's it at? Hello. Mine should be one of the first ones to pop up.
What's this?
I'll just
channel?
text you the link to my channels.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
I'll just link it to my channel. Getting all over me. All over my knees.
Yeah, we gotta go that way.
Still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording. 8 minutes. And there's a bridge. Was that bridge there before?
Yeah, it was.
Oh yeah, I remember that now. I remember.
It's a bridge to Narnia, but actually it brings you to another place.
Right.
It's good if that area is all flooded and stuff. 'Cause
Looks
actually,
good.
Look at this.
I mean, it looks pretty good, actually. It brings on the scenery. And there's the bridge that we just walked on.
Yeah.
I like this nature walk. It's actually really cool. And I should not get in trouble for being here, honestly. Because, I mean, seriously, there's so many freaking trails that split back to our part of the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I know where you live now. Because I was suspecting it was the orange house. Because, like,
We shouldn't go here.
when I went out to go walking, I saw you walking on this side of the road. So I was like, there's no way it's that way. First I was thinking the red house, but I was like, you know what? No, one of my mom's friends lives there. And then I'm like, well, what could it be? Today I saw you like try starting. You made it like to the gate before your mom pulled up.
No, I made it to.
Pretty much the gate almost. You made it to your trailer at least.
Yeah. I made it to the little like 6 area section.
Okay, yeah, we got 10 minutes to get you home. We should be fine.
I'm just gonna leave this stick somewhere.
Here, just put it in the ground in the middle of those trees or something.
So it's not. Oh, go back there. You just go.
I might also do a few more vids on this. If anything, I know I'm probably going to, like, you know, like, live stream it tomorrow or something.
Yeah. My mom's mud in your shoes. I'm like, I was walking not on the road.
Yeah. We do not want to walk in the road. You got a problem with that?
Yeah, what if we don't want to get hit by cars?
Exactly. Okay, guys, we're back in the neighborhood.
Oh, there's a random tire.
Random tire?
Yeah, a random tire.
Oh my god, is that a murder weapon?
Could be.
Yeah, it could be. Let's go.
There's also all this other stuff that we need to store and stuff. Oh, and dude, let me show you. Like about that story I told you for my friends. Okay. It's like over here. Yeah, we exited around about here-ish.
Okay, so you came out through the middle?
Yeah, we came out like through, like, actually.
Well, like, they saw this creepy man in red and blue.
Yeah.
And then one of our friends just said, run!
Oh yeah, I remember, because you see that cinder block in there?
Every time I zoom in, it gets really blurry in there.
I remember seeing it and stuff. Ooh, dude, that's like a random scooter. On a random scooter.
Oh.
I might end up wanting to take that.
Guys, see that there?
I'm currently scratching all my mosquito bites on my leg.
Well, let's head back.
What time to put a gallon of itch cream on my legs?
Yeah, you're lucky you even have that stuff. I do not even know how many subscribers I have on this channel. I think I only have like 1, I think. I don't know.
And that's your mom.
No, it's my other channel. That way, if they want to go to my channel, to my gaming channel that I have, they can just see that in my subscriptions and then know that's my other channel.
Hold on. Let's just do... Wait, still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
Alright, let's do a recap on how much stuff we got in between our shoes.
Holy moly.
This is one. This is the other. That's a lot. I'm gonna have to definitely put this in the washing. Now,
I have some inside my shoes.
now here.
I have some right there. And I have some right there. Who won that muddy shoe competition? You decide.
I should probably take that stick and just like clean out. Like, hold on.
Hold on, is that another part of the nature walk?
I guess so.
I mean, yeah, I did not have a sign over there, but I mean, it could be.
Next time we might be making a base.
Maybe.
Right after I'm done cleaning out my shoes. Am I cleaning out your shoes?
No.
Okay.
Okay, we got 7 minutes. Let's go. So I head in back. So yeah, do you have any friends that live in this neighborhood?
No, I'm pretty sure all of them moved. Or I just stopped connecting with them.
So I was gonna say, if you do, then we can get some of them in the video. And we can have more people on our video. I mean, you know what they say, the more the merrier.
Yeah, one of my friends used to live in that trailer right there. And one used to live, like, no, not in this one, the next one over. And, like, where I live. Like, the trailer area where I live. Oh, kitty.
I see the cat walking there.
Yeah. Hey, dude. Also, there's a story about how there's these two guys in like a truck over there, and one's like obviously a kid in middle school, and another one's obviously like an adult, maybe in his 20s. And he just holds up like a pistol. It's like they're just sitting there, and he just holds up a pistol, and like talking to the kid or something. And the kid's like, "Why do you have a pistol?" Ooh, can.
You know, one time I accidentally kicked that. Somebody looked at me like in the car, like, "What's wrong with you? Like, what did that can ever do to you?" And I'm like, "My bad. I accidentally kicked it in the face.
That
Big deal."
Hurt my toe.
Oh yeah, it really hurt my toe. I kicked it pretty hard. It went flying from like right there where that puddle is, all the way to that puddle right there.
Yeah.
It hurt.
Yeah. She used to live right there. That's the friend that had that little brother.
I thought he was a wolf.
No.
Which one?
That was the one that was Christian. The one that thought he was a wolf lived down there.
Okay.
Yeah. He said that his dog was his half brother.
Oh my freaking god. I happen to know a friend like that. Not gonna say any names to point anybody out, but I'll tell you later. I'm adding some cool effects to my video. Whee! The world has turned not upside down.
Hey dude, also, look, this is a random boat thing. It's completely stuck in there.
Dang.
Actually, it'd be pretty good to get...
Well, let's get you home. You have 4 minutes. Your house is just right over there.
Oh, let's see how mad my mom's gonna get when I show up with my shoes. You should probably stop that.
Yeah, well, I'll see you guys later. Bye.